Over the past few years, styling guides have become increasingly popular on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And don't get me wrong, I love the snappy styling do's and don'ts where it becomes visibly clear how much little tweaks can really improve a certain look in terms of proportions, dynamics, colors, fabric choices, contrasts, or something completely else. I've even made content around the topic myself. Heck, I'm a certified color consultant where I help people dress according to their color type all the time, and I love it. The beauty of thinking more actively about the elements you include in your outfits and how to arrange these in a way that makes you feel amazing is truly what makes personal style so fun to explore. And I've definitely learned a thing or two about my own true style this way too. But lately, I've kind of felt a little urge to challenge and to not overthink these dressing rules and guidelines. Because as much as we can all benefit from these, I do also think they can become a little restrictive, almost suffocating on us. And frankly, I feel like everything we wear becomes a pull of whether or not this look is proportionately balanced or whether or not that strap on my shoes is cutting me off and making me look shorter, etc. Instead of just wearing our clothes and appreciating the items because we think they look cute. And this ultimately turns into an internal struggle where these tools that were supposed to help us and actually maximize our wardrobes and make us feel fantastic suddenly is keeping us from exploring creativity and new outfits from within our wardrobes. So I want to challenge you a little bit on this. Let's all just stop for a minute, close our eyes, and take a deep breath. I want to ask you to visualize yourself in an outfit that makes you feel empowered. What are you wearing? You might not know the exact answer to this question yet, and that's okay. You might be at a different place on your personal style journey right now where you're only trying to figure that out. If that's the case, try to think less about the dressing rules for a while. Because as mentioned, while these can be super helpful and inspiring, I do also think they can kind of disrupt your own opinion and kill some of that creativity that is just so vital in terms of figuring out and learning what you truly love wearing. And I bet there's plenty to explore from within your existing wardrobe already. Whether it's working out for you or not, that's where you need to take the first step from. Because there's a reason why you reach for certain pieces in your wardrobe over and over again. There's a reason why some of those pieces become either a security blanket for you to hide behind or something you feel empowered by, something that gives you that confidence boost to go out and meet the world. And in both cases, again, whether you're happy with where you're at or not, I'm not judging anyone here. That's where we need to start though. That's what we need to build upon. If you're not satisfied with your current wardrobe and it isn't giving you the confidence you're looking for, we can work with that. There's so much to explore, like your personality, for example. What is it that you want to tell your surroundings about yourself? I know that being confident is hard for some people and it's not something you just become overnight. I struggle with confidence too sometimes, but I'm not even asking you to do that. I'm simply challenging you to, instead of hiding away behind guides and rules surrounding very specific ways to style a certain item, what not to do, what to do, make you look taller, slimmer, or balanced, shift your focus on what you want to highlight about yourself instead and keep your focus there for a little while. I bet that's going to give you so much more peace and hopefully bring you back to the core of your own true style journey for a while. Then when or if you feel ready, you can always return to those styling guides again because, as I said, they can be fun and inspiring to explore. Why is all of this important, you might wonder? It's important because even though sustainable fashion and mindful consumption seems to be on everybody's lips these days, wasteful fashion is still very much dominating the fashion industry. And there's so much content out there telling you how to look, how to dress, what to buy, and I just think it makes you less connected to yourself and what you want to wear. This results in a way of consuming where instead of focusing on what truly brings you joy, not just today, but also tomorrow and the next day and even next year, you buy stuff that isn't for you. Shifting away from that becomes a way to contribute to making systemic change within the fashion industry, which is so vital. I'm not here to cover you up in fancy clothes. I'm actually here to help you unfold and hopefully make peace with your true self. And you might think, wow, can that truly be achieved just by working with my wardrobe? Is it really that significant to care that much about what you wear? Well, maybe not entirely, but it is for sure a great place to start. And it will hopefully change your perspective on life either way. I mean, it's taught me so much about myself the past 7 years. And of course, yes, it's because I love fashion. I appreciate it and I benefit from dressing in a certain way. But I do believe that this is something anyone can explore. Personal style is about feeling good on the inside through what you wear on the outside. And it has a bigger impact than you might think. We cannot separate clothing from either self or identity because what we wear is an outward display of just those two. If you feel ready to start exploring your true style, do make sure to check out the description box below of this video for more resources. But I do also hope this video offered you a sense of calm and grounding. I'm cheering on you, I've got your back, and you'll do great. Thanks for watching.